Welcome back. Today we will continue with the marking scenarios. Last time we saw how to make the changes we wanted. Today we will take a closer look at its marking scenario. So let's get started. Let's take a closer look at its marking scenario. First of all, from dashboard, we are going here to academic tasks, marking, and let's go to the first option, gradebook. You can record or edit student mark for the selected classes, unit and marking periods from here. You can record or edit students' classwork, exams, and personal assessment marks. From this, you will have the student's overall grade calculated according to the selected marking scenario. Okay, let's see an example now. We can select year 6B subject. Let's choose mathematics, and we have first term here, and let's see. Here is a list with the results. Here you can see the photo of the child, first name, the last name, classwork mark, exams mark, to do at home mark, the suggested OM, overall grade, as we said before, the final overall mark, and here you can see the second term, third term, and so on. So you can see it's for all the children. You can also export this. Here, if you wanted to download in a CSV, you can download this in Excel, export to PDF, and so on. You can also recalculate the final mark if something is wrong. Here, for example, for another subject, for science too. You can also add a comment here if you want to, if something is important. And that's all. So easy. Now let's go to descriptive marking. You can record or edit students' descriptive marking, for example, effort grades, strengths, weaknesses, and so on. Use the filters here to manage results per student, per descriptive category, or per marking period. For example, here we have per student. If you want to view results by descriptive category or by marking category, select the method by which you want to see the results and choose the corresponding filters you prefer. Here, for example, at the descriptive category, you have to select the marking criteria you want to see, per marking period, it's here, and per student. Let's see an example. At year 6B, let's choose mathematics at Francesca Crixty, and let's see. So you can see all the categories for first term, second term, third term, and exams. It's blank here. You can also modify it if you want. You click on save, and it's ready. Then we have the marking results. Here you can show students marking results, and you can print reports concerning student marks and assessments. For example, let's choose first term year 6 again. Marking criteria. Let's choose exams. And let's see. You can always select the filters you want. If you want to make a more specific search, choose more filters. You can also use the advanced filters from here. And now you can see the results we have. the full name, the registration number of the child, the marking period, the level, the year, the stream, the class, the subject, category, and so on. Um, so if we can make it more specific, um, we can put classwork now. If you made it per student, um, so you can see here we have the full name of the child, the subject is mathematics year 6, and you can see all the marking you want to see. You can also see the submission user, when the last change happened, and so on. Then we have the gradebook analysis. You can show mark analysis for the selected marking period and the selected subject students are enrolled in. Use the course, unit, and marking period filters to display the results. Um, Results are available in a graph presenting the percentage distribution of students who have obtained a specific grade. For example, let's choose year 6, science first term, and show, as I said before, results are available in a graph here, presenting the percentage distribution of students who have obtained a specific grade. For example, here we can see that 40.7% of the students had excellent to this class. Others were very good, and others were are average. Next to the graph, the results are further broken down into the number of students that obtain each grade. For example, 11 students were excellent, one was at average, and no one was at fail, and so on. And additionally, you can see the overall unit average mark up here, subject average. It's this one. In the marking list right here, you can view the overall actual the student obtained. You can also search the student you want. Here we have 90 for her. She was average, her suggested, and so on. Or you can see for all students. Then we have the descriptive mark analysis. Here you can show students marking analysis, for example, grades, strengths, weaknesses, and more. You can search per student, per distribution of answers, or growth per criteria. Let's see per student for now. You can show students descriptive marking analysis. Okay, year 6, class 6B, first term, and science, for example. And let's see. Here you can see the student, the descriptive marking, and the answer from the teacher. You can also use the filters to select the grade, the subject, and so on. You can also use advanced filters again. And then we have the overall annual result. Here you are able to view the result of a student's performance throughout the academic year. Use the filters by choosing the level here, the year, and so on. Let's choose here middle school, year 6, promoted, and let's see. We can see all the information we want. We can also edit it, delete, or remove the overall progress from this specific period. You can see the name of the student, the registration status, the year, if the student was promoted. You can see the mark, the absences, whatever you wish in this page. You can also export, copy, or print the returned list of students by clicking on the Export or Print buttons next to the Bulk Actions button. Here, you can print it, export to Excel, export to CSV, and so on. Using the Bulk Actions button, you can perform several bulk operations, such as bulk change students promotion or calculate annual results, for example, or you can change status or remove the overall progress from this period, as we saw before. That was all really easy and very helpful for a teacher, for an admin, or for a parent. Hope all these were helpful for you. See you at the next video. Bye.